Next Golden Award winner, ETI, presented by Brane Leber.
First fuse was developed at the end of 19th century. It was the time of Nikola Tesla and Thomas Alva Edison, the time of many inventions in electricity. Nikola Tesla supported alternating current AC when Edison direct current DC. The Great War between AC and DC current finished with AC current victory. In 21st century, DC current is coming back with photovoltaic power plants. ETI understands the global changes and trends of photovoltaic market. Together with our partner, who is one of the biggest photovoltaic inverter producer, we develop a new generation of fuse link. But our path was not so easy, because AC current is not like DC current, and AC fuse link is not like DC fuse link. Why? Do you know why positive electrical pole is marked with red color? Because it is hot. Temperature distribution inside fuse link during operation is asymmetrical. Positive pole is much more hot than negative pole. For a very short time, temperature reaches 30,000 degrees Celsius. I don't know if you imagine how hot is this. It's 5 times the temperature of the sun. It's like in the hell. Our invention solved this problem. With special silicone, we made an effective electrical arc barrier. Arc barrier has a firefighter function. This solution is protected with patent. Our invention based on low power dissipation, what is necessary to have a reliable product for heavy environment conditions. Low power dissipation resulted in energy saving about 7 million kilowatt hours per year of green energy. It's like yearly consumption of energy, small city like Zagorje. Emission of carbon dioxide is reduced for 3,000 tons per year. Fuse link is 100% recyclable. Altogether has important influence on global warming. Together with you, we create a new, better standards. With your help, we are on the right way, are the words of our customer, who was development partner in this project. Thank you.
And the rest of the team, please join us on stage. And the awards. One more team member. Thank you very much.